Hey there, Rockstar! Let's talk about something huge for your business. We live in a mobile-first world. Everyone is on their phones. So what does this mean for your small business? You need to be where your customers are, and that is on their mobile devices. A mobile app isn't just a fancy extra, it's a must-have tool for growth. Think about how a mobile app can transform your customer engagement. It's like having a direct line to your audience. Send updates, special offers, and personalized messages. This builds loyalty and keeps them coming back. Imagine your customers easily booking appointments or browsing your products. That kind of convenience is golden. It makes their lives easier and makes them love your brand. This is how you build raving fans. A mobile app can boost your bottom line, showcase your products beautifully, run targeted promotions directly through the app, push notifications for flash sales or new arrivals. It's a powerful way to drive sales and increase revenue. Small businesses that embrace mobile technology will thrive. So, are you ready to join the mobile app revolution? Get your business on board and reach new heights of success. Alright, so we know a mobile app is important, but here's the deal. Not just app will do. Quality is queen, honey. A poorly designed or buggy app can do more harm than good. It can frustrate users, damage your brand reputation, and waste your precious investment. Think about your own experiences. You've probably deleted apps that were clunky or didn't work well, right? Your customers will do the same. That's why investing in a top-notch, high-quality app is absolutely crucial for your success. A stellar app, on the other hand, can be a total game changer. Imagine an app that's intuitive, beautiful, and a joy to use. That's the kind of app that keeps users engaged and coming back for more. It reflects positively on your brand, making you look professional and trustworthy. When your app works flawlessly and provides real value, customers notice. They appreciate the effort and the seamless experience. This builds incredible brand loyalty and positive word of mouth. Think about the user experience, or UX as the pros call it. A high-quality app focuses intensely on the user. It's easy to navigate, it loads quickly, it does what it's supposed to do, without any glitches. This amazing UX is what turns casual users into devoted fans. Aim for the best, because your business deserves it. Okay, so you're convinced. You need a high-quality mobile app, and you need a fantastic developer to build it. But where do you find such talent, especially if you're a small business owner juggling a million things? Let me introduce you to a platform that can be your secret weapon, Fiverr Pro. You might know Fiverr, but Fiverr Pro is a whole other level. It's where you find the creme de la creme, the top-tier freelancers who are vetted for their exceptional skills and service. Fiverr Pro isn't just another freelance marketplace. It's a curated selection of professionals who have gone through a rigorous application process. Only about 1% of applicants make it to pro status. That means you're getting access to seriously talented individuals. These developers have proven track records, outstanding portfolios, and glowing client reviews. So you can skip a lot of the guesswork and uncertainty that often comes with hiring online. You're starting your search from a pool of pre-vetted experts. How awesome is that for peace of mind? Now, let's dig a little deeper into Fiverr Pro is such a brilliant choice for finding your mobile app developer. What are the specific advantages? First off, as we mentioned, it's the vetting process. Fiverr Pro handpicks its talent. They look at their professional background, the quality of their portfolio, their customer service skills, and overall client satisfaction. This means you are browsing through a selection of developers who are already recognized for their excellence. It's like having a trusted referral for every single candidate. Another major advantage is the clarity and transparency. On Fiverr Pro, developers, or sellers as they're called, lay out their services in clear packages. These are called gigs. You can see exactly what's included, the price, and the delivery time. This upfront information helps you budget effectively and manage expectations. No more vague quotes or surprise fees down the line. You can compare different pros and their offerings side by side, making it easier to find the perfect fit for your project scope and budget. This transparency is incredibly empowering for you as a buyer. This integrated environment simplifies the entire hiring and collaboration process, letting you focus on what truly matters, building an amazing app for your business. Section 5. Finding your match, navigating Fiverr Pro like a boss. Alright, you're ready to jump into Fiverr Pro and find your dream developer. Exciting! But how do you navigate the platform effectively to find the best match? It's actually quite straightforward. First, head to the Fiverr Pro section. You can usually find this through the main Fiverr navigation, or by specifically searching for Fiverr Pro mobile app developers. Once you're there, you can start by using the search bar. Be specific with your keywords. Think iOS app developer, Android game developer, or Flutter app developer for small business. The more targeted your search, the better your initial results. Next, make use of the powerful filters Fiverr Pro offers. These are your best friends. You can filter by budget, delivery time, seller details, like language spoken or location if that matters to you, and even specific service options related to app development. For example, you might filter for developers who offer app submission services or ongoing maintenance. Play around with these filters to narrow down the pool of candidates. This helps you focus on the developers who are most aligned with your project requirements and preferences from the get-go. As you browse the search results, pay close attention to the developers' pro gig pages. These are like their digital storefronts. Look at their titles and the brief descriptions. Section 6. Spotting a star. How to evaluate mobile app developer profiles. So you've got your short list of potential Fiverr Pro developers. Awesome! Now comes the crucial part. Evaluating their profiles to spot the true stars. What should you be looking for? First and foremost, dive deep into their portfolio. This is where their work speaks for itself. Look for examples of apps they've built that are similar to what you envision, either in terms of functionality, industry, or design style. Do their past projects look polished, professional, and user-friendly? Quality is visible, so trust your gut here. Next, scrutinize their client reviews and ratings. Fiverr Pro sellers generally have excellent feedback, but it's still important to read through it. Look for comments that mention their communication skills, reliability, problem-solving abilities, and adherence to deadlines. Are clients consistently thrilled with the results? Pay attention to how developers respond to reviews too, if applicable. This can give you insights into their professionalism and customer service approach. Consistent positive feedback is a very strong indicator of a great partner for your project. Carefully read the gig descriptions and the different packages offered. Section 7. Beyond the profile, smart ways to vet your top candidates. Okay, you've reviewed the profiles, portfolios, and reviews. You've probably narrowed it down to a couple of amazing Fiverr Pro developers. What's next? Before you hit that Order Now button, it's super smart to connect with your top candidates. This is your chance to go beyond the profile and really vet them. Most Fiverr Pro sellers are happy to answer your questions before you commit, so reach out and start a conversation. This initial interaction is incredibly telling. Prepare a clear and concise message. Introduce yourself and your business. Briefly explain your app idea and what you're looking to achieve. Then, ask specific questions. You could ask about their experience with similar projects, their typical development process, or how they handle revisions and feedback. You might also ask about their availability and estimated timeline for a project like yours. Their responses will give you a sense of their communication style, their understanding of your needs, and their enthusiasm for your project. Section 8. Let's get building smooth communication and project kickoff. You've done it. You've evaluated, vetted, and chosen your top-rated mobile app developer on Fiverr Pro. High five! Now it's time to kick off the project and ensure smooth sailing. The key to a successful collaboration, especially when working remotely, is crystal clear communication. From the very beginning, establish how you'll communicate, how often you'll check in, and what tools you'll use. Fiverr's messaging system is great for keeping everything in one place. Set clear expectations for updates and feedback. Before your developer starts coding away, make sure you provide them with a detailed project brief. The more information you give them, the better they can bring your vision to life. This brief should include your app's core features, target audience, desired look and feel, maybe some design inspiration or branding guidelines, and any specific technical requirements. If you have wireframes or mock-ups, share those too. A thorough brief minimizes misunderstandings and helps keep the project on track, on time, and on budget. It's your roadmap to success. Section 9. Your app dream is calling, time to make it real. Wow, we've covered a lot, haven't we? From understanding why your small business needs a killer mobile app, to navigating Fiverr Pro like a true boss, and ensuring your project runs smoothly. You now have the knowledge and tools to find an incredible, top-rated mobile app developer. It might seem like a big step, but remember, Every successful app started with an idea and the courage to pursue it. Think about the incredible potential waiting to be unlocked for your business. A professionally built mobile app can revolutionize how you connect with customers and boost your sales. It's an investment in your future, a way to stand out, and a powerful engine for growth. The digital landscape is always evolving, and having a strong mobile presence is no longer a luxury. It's essential. You deserve to play big, and a great app can help you do just that. Fiverr Pro makes accessing elite talent easier and more affordable than ever before. You don't need a massive corporate budget or an army of recruiters to work with the best. The platform empowers you to connect directly with vetted professionals who are passionate about their craft and ready to bring their A game to your project. The transparency, security, and quality assurance offered by Fiverr Pro give you the confidence to hire and build something truly special for your brand. So, what are you waiting for? Your app dream is calling. It's time to take action.